So this is Nikki, and she is riding Miro, and we're doing a basic exercise with 2 cones and 3 poles. So the basics of this is you are going to use outside leg at each one of the cones and do 2 concentric circles. So you got to use outside leg, outside leg, outside leg. Make a nice little circle. Look towards the pole, and when you go over the pole you need to go into a 2-point position. So 2-point position, good, and look towards the next pole. You try to keep at the center of the pole and just get ready and 2-point. Now if you need to reach up and grab mane to pull yourself up, that's just fine. There we go, good. Now 2-point, good, and let's work on that corner and doing that turn. Very good. You'd want to try to keep that outside leg, but you want to have nice contact with it. So this is a direct rein, indirect rein a little bit, and outside leg. So a little bit of direct rein, point his nose where you want him to. Indirect rein is on the outside, which in this case is going to be her right. Look towards the pole and raise. Good. This is a nice, easy little pattern, and you can change directions, and we'll make it more difficult as we go along. 2-point and good. It just gives you a nice, easy little way to start working on basic controls. Now, as soon as you get over this pole, we're going to stop. Ready and stop. Whoa. Now I want you to back 3 steps. So you're going to pull your reins to your thighs, squeeze your glutes, and release. Good. And release. And good. And whoa. Excellent job. Pattern. She's going to start with a circle. This is outside button number 2. Keep the heel down. Press and release. Press and release. Press and release. She's going to aim for that pole, and as she goes over the pole, she's going to stand in the saddle, do a 2-point, and come back down, and then we're going to aim for another pole over here, and she's going to do a 2-point. So she has to look at the pole, try to get towards the center of the pole. Ready, and stand and look forward. Good. Now here's the next pole. Oh, got a little trot, and stand. Now slow back down and let's do a circle. Outside button number 2, outside button number 2. Nice circle. Much better. Now we're going to do another circle around this other cone. And circle. Outside button number 2, outside button number 2. Very nice. Thank you so much for joining us on today's riding lesson. And if you enjoyed it, give us a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And remember, to see more, check out our playlists.